Hi, welcome to Omcan's maintenance video of the automatic drink sealer machine. Depending on how much use the machine gets, you're going to want to lubricate some certain key points every 1 to 2 days. You'll notice that on either side of the control panel there will be 2 green plugs that you can easily remove and grab the mineral oil that is supplied when you get the machine. If you run out of this, you can always use any other food grade oil. You're going to want to then just throw a few drops into the hole here, and you'll see that there is a metal rod that will just take a few drops, and that should do the trick. You are then going to repeat it on the other side as well. Put the plug back in, and you're all set for up top. So just a few drops goes a long way, and you're going to want to put it on the 2 rods that have a coil around them. Just a few drops on there, as well as the 4 rods at the top of each corner. When it comes to using the auto cutter washing system, the machine in standby. Grab a tissue, facial tissue, paper towel, whatever is similar to this, as well as you're going to get this red plug that also is included with the machine. This is what you call the sink. You're going to plug the sink with the red plug. Then you're then going to have to twist and carefully put paper towel or tissue in between the ring and the seal. Just grab another small piece here just to stick in where I haven't yet. Okay. Once you have the paper towel in there, you can then get some warm water, and you're looking to just put some drops in to wet the paper towel. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold the pause button until it beeps, and that's going to go into the auto washing system. Once it is finished, it'll automatically come back out, and you are ready to go. Once that is finished, I just have a little bamboo skewer here just to pull out the wet tissue. Just like that, discard that, and you're all set. Just clean up a little bit the excess water, and you can take the plug out, and if any water comes out there, you just wipe that up.